Hi and welcome to another quick tutorial on TubeSpanner, and this one we're going to be covering the title generator tool. Now if you aren't familiar with the title generator or you're wondering what it is, stay tuned because this is a really useful tool. It's one of the most popular tools on TubeSpanner and we're going to be getting straight into what it does. So, titles. Creating a snappy title for your content is really important. There's two things you need to get right with your title. One, it needs to be something that people actually want to see. And two, the title needs to entice them into seeing it. To start this off, you need to get some great ideas. So, in this one, we're going to be covering how you can get an infinite number of ideas for titles for your videos. First thing you want to do is click on the toolbox after you've logged into TubeSpanner. Now once the toolbox opens, you'll see a list of all the tools that are available to you in your account, and you want to click on the first icon up here, the title generator. And it really is this simple. So first of all, you select the type of content that you're creating for your channel. So let's say we're creating a how-to video. So we select the How-To tab, and you can see a series of fields on the left here that you enter in order to populate the title. And you can see on the right what that title will look like. And there are loads, it's infinite, it generates these on the fly, okay? So if we want to look at the topic is making money online, and the biggest frustration is not making money. The desired outcome is to make £1 million. Let's say make $1 million. Successful outcome, become a millionaire. And we leave all this as the defaults here. You'll see it'll start to generate titles for you right here. Now, some of them won't make a lot of sense. Some of them will be spot on. Now you can see some of them with the grammar will be a little bit odd. How to use making money online. If you made the topic making money, online money making tools, we can see here that it's now making a lot more sense. Put in some phrases here that make sense because the grammar checking isn't always spot on. How to use online money making tools. How to solve every money making online tools challenge simply using these tips. Now you may want to tweak these somewhat. You can run them through some SEO tools. TubeBuddy is your friend here, so you can get loads of ideas here and drop those into something like TubeBuddy. There's a link to that below. But this gives you infinite ideas, and what's more, you can hit the respin button like this, and boom, it generates loads more. And it'll keep doing this over and over again. Respin again. It'll generate infinite headlines over and over and over again. And you can keep tweaking this, adding more phrases here. Let's pick something else. Let's pick a clickbait title. Now you can see it'll pick defaults examples here, so you can see the sort of things it's asking you to put in. And if you're not sure, you can hover over the tooltips here to get more ideas. Off you go. Infinite numbers of clickbaity titles right here. And if you put in topics which are trending, this will give you some great titles for your videos. These are live news stories right now. These are keywords which are currently popular today or over the last few hours. These are trending topics, and it's automatically generating trending topic headlines for you based on the news right now. So these are stories that you're possibly about to blow up. And look at this. Keep clicking respin. Look at that. So coronavirus, Huntsville, salmonella, these are all trending headlines and stories in the news right now. And it'll keep doing this all day long. Chicken, Donald Trump. Well, when is that not newsworthy? Want a thriving business? Focus on chicken. LPGA Adventures. I don't know what that is, but I'd probably click on that for curiosity. What is Galaxy and how does it work? Is there a new phone coming out right now? I'm wondering what that is. So you can see what this does here. It gives you headlines for your niche. It gives you headlines for everything. So this is a fantastic tool to give you unlimited titles for your videos. And what's more, even if you have a free account, you can get access to this tool. Now, the Creator and Creator Pro subscriptions, and you can get those on a free 14-day trial right now by simply clicking on the upgrade button. I'll show you that in a moment. Upgrade your account right here. For 14 days free trial, you can access all the features in the Creator and the Creator Pro level accounts. Even more titles, even more trending topics, even more subjects and niches. You get everything. But even if you've only got a free account, you can still get a lot of use out of this tool. But if you've got a Creator or a Creator Pro account, it's like title generators are on overdrive, and that's just from like a few bucks a month. You've probably by now seen these create quick script and create new project buttons on the right. I'm going to be covering those in the next video. But if you've got a Creator or a Pro level account, or even if you've got a free account to limited levels, you can now get this to generate a script for your video with that headline that you've just invented right there, right now on autopilot. So there it is. That is the title generator for TubeSpanner. Infinite clicky titles for your videos all day long. Get in there and try it out. And now over to you. What do you think? Is this interesting to you? Is this the sort of thing you want to see more of? Do you like it? Have you used it? I won't lie, sometimes some of the titles are a bit bonkers, but most of the time they're really good. Just, you know, may want to do a little bit of finessing to really nail that SEO sweet spot. But the SEO and those things will be covered in a separate series of videos. For now, this is a great start to get you going on your journey. I hope you found this useful. Stay tuned for more tutorials, more fantastic ways to grow your channel, and don't forget to try out that 14-day free trial where you can get access to all the features that TubeSpanner has to offer. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the very next show. Bye-bye.